question of microevolution, and that's one of the fundamental tenets of Darwinism, is that you have small, gradual changes that over time will develop into, major changes in diversity. When we look at these, whether peppered moths or antibiotic resistance in insects or bacteria, I don't think it's valid to make that extrapolation. In fact, from my own experience in looking at antibiotic resistance, I think it's counter to what you would predict. If we're just looking at mutations, now this isn't lateral gene transfer and gaining enzymes that have degradative function on antibiotic function, but in terms of something like streptomycin resistance, where you have a mutation in a ribosomal protein and renders the cell resistant to the drug. This is a common example of microevolution in practice, but when you really analyze it, it's a almost degenerative effect. You've messed up the information processing system. These organisms are at a disadvantage. They can get compensatory mutations that will bring them back up to the level of growth as a parental wild type, but these have costs, fitness costs as well. And I see it more as what we say in evolution in terms Mueller's ratchet, that you just continually ratchet the organism's ability to respond to changing environments in a negative sense. And extinction is the final result. You're leading these organisms down a genetic box canyon, not the complexifying mutations that are going to generate, a multicellular organism from a single-celled organism.